Hi, I'm Bill Ritchie, and I welcome you to our online course on printmaking. In this class, you will be assembling your own etching press, and then you will learn the 4 basic printing principles: intaglio, relief, planographic, and stencil, using the press that you built. Our press is a small, personal-sized press with a 6-inch wide bed, known as the mini press. This press comes unassembled with all the parts that you need to assemble the press, plus 2 blankets and the instructions. Plus there's online support for your course. So welcome. My name is Bill Ritchie, and I will be your main instructor for the class. I hope you enjoy it, and I welcome you to a course.